The Jamaica Constabulary Force today released the latest most wanted list of suspects who are being sought for questioning in relation to a string of major crimes across Jamaica. This comes as the Police High Command launches its Wanted Persons campaign for the Lent season. One female is also among those wanted by the police. TVJ's Giovanni Dennis has more.
The Jamaica Constabulary Force says its Wanted Persons campaign will run from today through Friday, March 30. The police have dubbed the offensive against wanted persons, "What Are You Giving Up for Lent?" The campaign urges Jamaicans to report wanted persons in their communities whose photographs will be promulgated daily via the various JCF social media pages. On the heels of the launch, the police have released a list of individuals who are wanted for several murders and other crimes across the island. In St. Mary, Charles Hamilton, otherwise called Tuggy Tuggy, is wanted for illegal possession of firearm and shooting with intent. He frequents Onoto Bay in the parish. In St. James, Nico Samuels, otherwise called BOWA, is wanted for murder. He frequents Jenkins Corner and Barrett Town in St. James, as well as Newland District and New Market in St. Elizabeth. Ryan Peterkin, otherwise called Ratty, is also wanted for murder and shooting. He's from Cambridge, St. James. Shani Luton is wanted for 2 counts of murder and illegal possession of firearm. He's from Farm Heights, St. James. Christopher Boyd, otherwise called Plank, who frequents Red Dirt, Rifle Lane and Central Avenue in St. James, is also wanted. In the St. Catherine North Division, KOLANJI TYRELL is wanted for murder. He frequents Bog Walk, St. Catherine. Akeem Johnson, otherwise called Bubba Sparks, is wanted for shootings, abduction, robbery and murder. He frequents Banana Lane, Lakespen, Quarry Hill and a new nursery in St. Catherine. Also wanted for murder is Orion Thomas, otherwise called Blue. He frequents Marchpen Road in St. Catherine. In the St. Catherine South Division, Ian Thomas, otherwise called Scally, is wanted for a triple murder. He frequents Gulf and Gregor Park in St. Catherine. In the Kingston West Police Division, Rory HEADLAM and Nicola da Costa are wanted for murder. Over in the Kingston East and Kingston Central Police Divisions, Brian Johnson, Bonnie Grant and Anthony Powell are being sought by police in connection with separate murder cases. Investigators assigned to the St. Anne, St. Andrew South, Westmoreland and the Clarendon Police are seeking a total of 5 suspects in connection with murder cases. They are Brian Forbes, Horace Raphael, Mark Wright, Burton Shearer and Othniel Smith. The police say they should turn themselves in immediately. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of these men is being asked to share information by calling the JCF tip line at 811, Crime Stop at 311, their nearest police station, or by using the Stay Alert app. Persons with information can also contact the CIB headquarters. Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.